In this video, we are going to discuss about Disha Salin's murder case. We are watching in the news media, Disha Salin's case is not being discussed. It has to be reopened by CBI investigation team. Why? The reason is there is a serious link between Disha Salin case and Sushant's case. You may ask what is the relation between Disha Salin and Sushant? Because of the simple reason Disha Salin was a celebrity manager, she was working as an ex-secretary of Sushant. Disha Salin was gang raped and murdered on 7th June night on Ekta Kapoor's birthday party. Ekta Kapoor's birthday party was happening in Malad. And on the same day she was died, and almost all the magazines and news media had reported that she committed suicide. Disha got an invitation from Suraj Pancholi to attend the party on the same day she died in the night. In this video, we are exposing who are all the party attendees. One is Bezat Kambata, second is Aditya Thackeray, son of Uddhav Thackeray, third Gopal Dalvi, NCP politician, fourth Jitendra Jain, builder, fifth Ankit Jalan, sixth Arbaz Khan, and Shobit Chakrabarti, Riya Chakrabarti, and Ekta Kapoor and other friends who are all celebrities. Colleagues of Disha were also present. Disha was not aware that this party was having lot of drugs and alcohol were being consumed by all these politicians and celebrities. And after reaching over there, she found out so many things which were going wrong. And that is one of the things which is mainly minor girls she found out at that party being used and abused by politicians and celebrity managers and other people. Found out a minor girl who is known to her as well as to Sushant. That's the reason she tried to save that girl, and she sent immediately that girl with her one of the trustworthy friends, be a male or a girl, we are not known yet. And she sent to Sushant's home as well as she continued party and she informed Sushant. Somehow the party members, they came to know about this and they got angry and furious, and they immediately took a decision to take over her and they threatened her and as well as they raped her. And this is what happened in the night, and 2:25 a.m. midnight she was thrown out from 14th floor of that building. And this is one thing happened in front of almost all her friends and her boyfriend Rohan Rai and Indranil, one of the friends, best childhood friends, and all these people were present in that party. Where are her friends? Disha was working as an secretary for actor Varun Sharma too. But he is also keeping quiet. Why he is not speaking out? After her death, lot many questions were popped up, and also so many people came out with lot of queries which were posted to Commissioner of Police in Mumbai. But none of the genuine questions were not given answer. Even Disha's ex-colleagues and colleagues of Cornerstone Sports and Entertainment Private Limited, nobody is talking about her and about her life and lifestyle and what happened on that day. On the fatal night 7th June, Disha Salin had got a chance to talk with Sushant, and she informed almost all about the rapist and what had happened with her and whoever were present in that party, and everything she informed to Sushant. And after that, in the late night of the party, the attendees, they found out she was talking with Sushant and she was thrown out nude from 14th floor and she died. And this is the thing which is now making the connection with Sushant. On that late night, Sushant came to know almost all the information about Disha Salin. Sushant thought that Sandeep Singh is a very good friend. That is the reason he called up Sandeep Singh and he informed almost all the things about Disha Salin. And this is the thing which is making the connections now with Sushant. Sushant had even informed Sandeep Singh he would be going to media and exposing almost all these culprits, rapists and drugs and whatsoever happened with Disha Salin. And not only that, he even informed Pankaj Dubey when Riya Chakravarti and Shobik, when they came back at his flat on 8th June. The quarrel happened, the argument happened because of the only reason that Riya wanted to suppress him not to go to media, because Shobik Chakravarti also one of the rapists and he was present in that party and he was the one of the main guy who supplied almost all the drugs. But Sushant didn't stop himself and he said he would be going to media. Ria, on contrary, took almost all the medical reports of Sushant, depression pills and prescriptions, and she left immediately from his flat. Sushant immediately started getting threatening calls, life threat calls. That's the reason Sushant called his elder sister Meetu Singh, invited to stay with him. Sushant had a conversation with Smita Parekh too, and in front of Smita Parekh also he had informed several times, ये लोग मुझे छोड़ेंगे नहीं, ये लोग मुझे खत्म कर देंगे. Smita Parekh and Rohini Iyer, both of them are very good close friends of Riya Chakrabarti, so they knew very well. If it is true, Disha had sent one minor girl with one of her trustworthy friends. They both of them must have been stayed along with Sushant's flat from 8th June to 13th June night. They must be living with him, and all these people must be aware of it, including 4 flatmates, gents. They must be aware of it. All these people are hiding the truth and not speaking about Disha Salin's rape and murder. Guys, we request you to please raise your voice. In between, lot many theories are circulated and logical reasonings are all not perfectly matching, and several queries are being raised. It's done by media as well as the CBI agency to suppress and bury this alien's rape and murder case. One of the main theories which is being circulated, that is COVID-19 app developed based on AI, artificial intelligence, by Sushant, and he was having it in his hard disk drive, and 5 to 6 people entered, and these men entered in the night 8th June at his flat, and they copied almost all the data into their storage and they destroyed all the hard disk drives. Gentlemen, it's not believable at all, and please don't believe these kind of theories. Why do we say so? Please look into the reasonings, logical reasonings, and as well as the queries which are being raised. Was Sushant having 50 to 100 programmers in his company? In any of the companies? Was he managing any company? Sushant was attending conference calls in Zoom application with few scientists. But how could it be possible to develop an app by talking with a scientist? Even if it is so, within March to June, how can a software be developed so fast, that to COVID-19 based application? The main query raised here is 4 to 5, 6 men who have come over there and to pick the data or steal the data from that hard disk drive. Why would they copy it in another storage and destroy the existing hard disk drive? Even if they wanted to steal the data, they would have taken all the 8 hard disk drives along with them, isn't it? They are trying to prove that these hard disk drives were having the data of COVID-19 application as well as drug deals related details as well as child traffic details, everything. Dear viewers, please support us on all social platforms to get justice for Disha Salian. Thank you very much for watching.